I see a blimp. I see a blimp. And there it is, called the Goodyear blimp. Let's focus in on him. And there he is. Let's track the blimp by hitting the plus button. And we're tracking the blimp. Now I could just drive safely without looking at the blimp and just go blimp. Movement forward and tracking to the right. That is what the Insta360 Luna is all about. That will lose the blimp as soon as we go past this tree. Let's see if it catches back up and if it can retrack it. Does it see it? No, it don't. That's the end of it. Today we're shooting with the Insta360 Luna Ultra in Dolby Vision. I'm also using the Insta360 Mic Pro, and I am no pro at this camera. I'll do my best to grab shots and show you. We're zoomed in, not too much, and you're looking at a street light, a park lamp. All videos are shot in video mode. I will try not to make a mistake when I go into pure video mode. I should be on pure video mode. The last time I went into pure video, it accidentally went on to slow motion 2 times. This is still pure video mode with EV value now adjusted down to 0.7. And we switched back to video mode. And we still keep our EV value at -0.7. That is how I like my camera, as the EV value seems to be on the high side. As we're all decorated for the 4th of July and ready to go out fishing real soon. Finally, no more barge. The sunrise is happening and the coloring in the sky is there. It is very blush, is how I could say it. It is a shot that one should be waiting for. You get a glass-like finish when that sun starts to rise. Rather than zooming in, we are zoomed in at 3 times. And then at 6 times. I'm not getting the shot I want. I want to get the shot of the boat that's right over there, and I am slowly panning. The shots of the boats all lined up, not moving, and the seagulls flying. It sounds like Captain Jeff is ready to go out. As I do my best to center and lower down just a hint. That is Captain Jeff. We're going to focus on these small fishing boats. And then this shot right here through the sailboat for the sunrise. I thought this is an interesting shot. 2 MANs. I have no idea what they are, but they're 2 different colors. I'm here at the end as the sun is coming up, and I am going to be zooming in, and I may have to raise up the zoom. As you can see how the camera is never perfect getting it in the center of the shot. So that seems to be where I need to be at, and you can see the difference of the colors. It is a glass-like finish. We need to be just a little higher, and we want to get a nice, beautiful shot of that sunrise coming up. And there we are with a boat right there. Is there a way we could take a picture during the, you got it, the filming? No. Maybe one day we'll be able to, like the Ace Pro 2. So what we can do now is go off of 4.5 and start to zoom in and readjust again and bring it up just a little bit. And we get more land, and that doesn't do justice for the shot. We could zoom all the way in to 12 times and capture the sun, but we just have like scenery. We want to scroll down and capture the boats and the water, and it is not easy to adjust the camera when it doesn't have an excellent resolution. The resolution is the joystick. The excellent resolution is being handheld and moving your arm and hand to the shot. You have a golden color. That is from the 1.1/3 inch sensor. We are on Dolby Vision. If we show you the shot in Dolby Vision in 1x zoom, this is what it will look like. If we hit the side button to 2x, and we have the actual controller on the camera and not taken off, it still gives you a nice colored shot. We're going to zoom in to 3x. And 3x stays with the 1-inch sensor. Once you go off at 3x, you're no longer on the 1-inch sensor. And now you have a beautiful shot of the start of the sunrise. Let's get on down to the shore so we can capture the sunrise over the water to the land. You're going to miss the shots of the bay. Up ahead on the street, a quiet street it is a cat. Am I on the cat? Yes, we are, and I am like holding this down all the way. Dolby Vision. When to use it? I did a video before. I don't know when to use it. You want to use it for dynamics? It's HDR. What does HDR stand for? I believe high dynamic range. Unless you have any other words for it, you could post down below and tell me. I'll learn something new. And the one thing about this camera, it's a 10-bit camera. And man, it does video mighty fine. I find it funny. I can't lose the seagulls. They're all out here following the fish. What's that out in the water before lifeguards? I wish I could show you, because the zoom is quite difficult to capture the shot I want to show you. There they are. All the way out, swimming. Before I rotate the camera around, I have my camera always set up facing forward because we have a switch, a button that we can hold when opening up that goes to me. Or I could triple press, which will move the camera, or press lower right on the screen that I may interrupt with a square and get on me. And that is how we switch screens. We have a number of ways. I'm out here in the highlight of my talk, sitting down and giving a nice talk. We still got the moon. It's not full anymore, and I won't be able to focus in on it with my eyes through a small screen. When I was in my car is running. It's a Toyota, and this phone, that app, and the camera, they won't work together hand in hand. I won't be able to get onto the application due to Toyota. You got Toyota to thank for bypassing the, me using. More or less, you got Apple to thank for not allowing us to be on our phone, hands down. It always says, oh, Siri will tell you, hey, please stop driving. Unbelievable, man, how everybody wants to rule the world. If I was to switch off a Dolby Vision, would I brighten up? If I bring the camera to me, close to you, would I start to brighten up? How about when I block the sun and do one of these? I'm going to switch off a Dolby Vision and see. This is regular video mode. Let's bring you to the side. Let's try to do the same thing. Get over here onto you. Oh yeah, I did brighten up, but not as much as I wanted to. Well, like I said, I wanted to make this all Dolby Vision, so let's get back onto it. It's a nice, quiet day. Kids are going fishing. Kids are on the beach swimming. Dog is having a nice walk. The parks are cleaning up the beach, as you can see. And looks like this guy, he's like picking everything off the table and whatnot. Now, I did a demonstration of tracking. All you gotta do is just hit the joystick button in once. And I shot with another camera. I shot with an extra Muse, and it couldn't focus on the screen. Product showcase. It's a lot of setup with gimbal cameras. And I think what I'm going to do is put my camera back to the norm, back to standard color, 10-bit, and change over to portrait and do a review heading on out. And that'd be a different video, different platform. It'd be in 3K. The companies feel that 3K is sufficient to get the point across, and they're not yet ready for 4K or even 8K. They never hit it. You call it hitting and hacking, that you simply take the camera and you do one of these, almost like dropping a mic, and that gets you into 8K. Who's doing 8K in portrait vertical videos? Does the platform allow? Shorts allow? All up to you. Well, I'm packing it in and I'm saying, hey, thanks for watching Dolby Vision. Is it just another fancy word for HDR and making things in depth, blackridge black, highlighter? Sure is, man. You all have a great one. I'll see you on the portrait vertical video.